Hello guys, welcome to my third class on discrete mathematical structures, that is module 1, fundamentals of logic. In my previous lecture video, we discussed about the logical connectives, proposition and truth tables. So in this lecture video, we'll discuss briefly about what is tautology and contradiction, problems based on tautology and contradiction. So first let me define what is tautology and contradiction. A compound proposition which is true for all possible truth values of its components will be called as an tautology. A compound proposition which is false for all possible truth values of its components will be called as an contradiction. A compound proposition that can be true or false will be called as a contingency. So this contingency will also can be defined like it is neither tautology nor contradiction. The problems based on tautology and contradiction show that for any propositions P and Q, the compound proposition P implies P or Q is a tautology, and the compound proposition P and negation P and Q is called contradiction. So to define these two compound proposition, first let me give the truth values for P and Q. So frame the following truth table first. So in this truth table, first let me take the truth values for P and Q. So I am going to define PCP as 0, 0, 1, 1, Q as 0, 1, 0, 1. So now I am going to use the OR operation in between the two propositions P and Q. So I am going to use the OR proposition, OR logical connective now. 0 and 0 will be 1, 0 and 1 will be 1, 1 and 0, sorry, 1 or 0 will be 1, 1 or 1 will be 1. So after applying the OR operation, we got the value of PRQ. So now I am going to find the value of P which implies PRQ. So now after applying the logical connectives implies in between P as well as PRQ, we'll see what we'll get it. So I'm going to apply the logical connective in between 0 and 0. It is a truth statement. I'm giving the value 1 here. Again, 0 implies 1, that is true. 1 implies 1, it is true. 1 implies 1, it is true. So the truth values of the first compound proposition is true in all the cases. So hence we can conclude this compound proposition P implies PRQ is a tautology. So now to define the next proposition, the first thing is I need to find the value of negation P. So I'm going to apply the negation for the truth values of P. So applying the negation for 0, I'll be getting 1. For 0 again, I'll be getting 1. 1 will become 0. Again 1 will become 0 here. So now I'm going to apply the AND operation in between negation P as well as Q. So applying the OR operation in between P as well negation P as well as Q. So 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1, it will become 1, 0 and 1, 0, it will become 0. 0 and 0 will become 0. Again 1 and 0 will become 0. So I am using the AND operation in between negation P as well as Q. So now the next compound proposition, I am going to use the AND operation in between P as well as the negation P as well as Q. So between P as well as this one. So 0 and 0, it will be 0. 0 and 1, it will be 0, sorry, 0. Again 1 and 0, it will be 0. 1 and 1, it will be 0. So for this compound proposition, all the truth values are 0 here. So hence we can say it is an contradiction compound proposition. Problem number 2. Prove that for any propositions P, Q, R, the compound proposition P implies Q and Q implies R, which further implies P implies R. Is a tautology. So same thing again. So to prove this compound proposition, I must need a truth table. So the truth table must contains the truth values for P, Q, R. So first let me give the truth values for P, that is given by 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Q will be given like 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. R will be like 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So now first thing is I'm going to use P implies Q. So now we'll define that. So P implies Q. 0 implies 0. 1. 0 implies 0 1. 0 implies 1 1. 0 implies 1 1. 1 implies 0 0. 1 implies 0 0. 1 implies 1 1. 1 implies 1 1. So I'm applying the implies in between P and Q. So next is Q implies R. So I'm going to apply the logical connective in between Q and R now. So Q 0 implies 0 1. 0 implies 1 0. 1 implies 0 0. 1 implies 1 1. 0 implies 0 1. 0 implies 1 1. 1 implies 0 0. 1 implies 1 1. So now let me use the AND operation in between P implies Q as well as Q implies R. So I'm applying the R operation in between P implies Q as well as Q implies R. 1 and 1 true, 1 and 1 true, 1 and 0 false, 1 and 1 true, 0 and 1 false, 0 and 1 false, 1 and 0 false, 1 and 1 true. So next is P implies R. Suppose now I'm going to apply the logical connective in between P and R now. So P implies 0 true, 0 implies 1 true, 0 implies 0 true, 0 implies 1 true, 1 implies 0 is false, 1 implies 1 true, 1 implies 0 false, 1 implies 1 true. So now I'm going to prove the actual compound proposition. Now I'm going to apply the implies symbol in between P implies Q and Q implies R and P implies R. So now 1 implies 1, obviously it is true, 1 implies 1 true, 0 implies 1 true, 1 implies 1 true, 0 implies 0 true, 0 implies 1 true, 0 implies 0 true, 1 implies 1 true. So hence I got all the truth values are true here, hence we can conclude this compound proposition is a tautology. Third problem, prove that for any proposition PQR, the compound proposition P or Q and P implies R and Q implies R is a tautology or not. We'll prove this one now. So again same thing, I want the truth table. The truth table must contains the truth values for PQR. So P will be given like as I told that 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Q will be 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. R will be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So first one P implies R. So it will be P 0 implies 0 true, 0 implies 1 true, 0 implies 0 true, 0 implies 1 true, 1 implies 0 false, 1 implies 1 true, 1 implies 0 false, 1 implies 1 true. Again Q implies R. So 0 0 true, 0 1 true, 1 0 false, 1 1 true, 0 0 true, 0 1 true, 1 0 false, 1 1 true. So next is I'm going to use the AND operation in between P implies R as well as Q implies R. Using R operation in between P implies R, Q implies R. So AND operation. So like now 1 and 1 true, 1 and 1 true, 1 and 0 false, 1 and 1 true, 0 and 1 false, 1 and 1 true, 0 and 0 false, 1 and 1 true. So now same I'm using the OR operation in between P and Q. 0 or 0 false, 0 or 0 false, 0 and 1 true, 0 or 1 true, 1 or 0 true, 1 or 0 true, 1 or 1 true, 1 or 1 true. The last thing I'm going to use the AND operation in between P or Q and P implies R and Q implies R. In between these two I'm using R operation. So 0 and 1 0 true, sorry false, 1 and 0 false, 0 and 1 false, 1 and 1 true, 0 and 1 false, 1 and 1 true, 0 and 1 false, 1 and 1 false. So here we can say that so this compound proposition contains all zeros as well as one. So we can say it is a contingency, that is it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Thank you.